Do y'all remember back in the day, Diamond Dallas Page, DDP, Diamond Cutter? Bang! That's what we got here. We got a Diamond Antimatter Blue 2022 F-250 Lariat Covert Edition. Let's go. Great customers from Florida saw my YouTube videos and reached out to us here at Akins Ford and Willies in Winder, Georgia. And I appreciate each and every one of you so much, especially this one right here. This one is truly a diamond. Antimatter Blue has got me so fired up for so many reasons. Just look at that. Ooh. Oh, it's such a diamond color. It looks black from right here, but in the right lighting, the right angle, it just pops. Started out as a Lariat package with the black appearance package, new for 2022. Lots of new amenities and features. Look at all the equipment. This is truly something special to me for all the value. FX4, a console vault, power moonroof, adaptive cruise control, clearance lights, upfitter switches, heated rear seats, Lariat Ultimate package. I mean, it has got it all. But once we throw our Covert Edition package on this bad boy with the Fuel Mavericks in 22 and the rigid light bar up front looking so discreet, oh my gosh, so many details. So the black appearance package, black grille, black emblem from Ford, no paintwork at all on this bad boy, no needed. And look how slim and discreet the rigid light bar is in 30 inches, mounted perfectly on there. I mean, great additional lighting with a discreet overall appearance. Got a trimmer front valence going on for you. We have a super lift bracket with Fox steering stabilizers to give you that true stability and control. A 2.5-inch level kit, Fox shocks front and rear. You know, it's Real Deals Covert. It's Real Deals Covert package that has been kicking it strong, y'all. I love this overall look. 37, 13.5, 22. You can roll with the 12.5 or the 13.5. It's a personal preference. Fuel Maverick, gloss black and milled, 22 by 10 plus 10, mild to wild scale. Has got us, it's sitting in a money setup right there, y'all. Not too far out. Just enough as far as the overall balance of width and height and size. The 37 is the way to go. This right here is going to show you why. Look at that. That is so clean, y'all. So clean on that setup right there. 22 on 37, enough sidewall to give you great ride quality. Got rear wheel well liners, a different block out back as well to make the height the way it should be. So we've got a 4-inch block in the rear with our Fox shocks. And out back, did not do any paint work on the black appearance package, comes the way it sits, looking great. We did rigid SRQs out back as well, and diffused look, midnight, with a retractable bed cover in the power form. Gotta love that because we're so tall. You know, we're so tall up here that it'd be very cumbersome to slide this and articulate it. So a power bed cover makes it happen. Now, the customer wants a power board. I want them to have a power board. Mr. Brad Akins wants a power board, but for the 22, it's just not ready yet, y'all. And I know that a lot of y'all are upset about that. We've got my guys at Soggy Bottom Lodge in Alabama. They're wanting power boards too. I mean, there's so many people out there wanting power boards on the 22. So Amp Research, we gotta get this going. We gotta get this worked out and figured out so we can get the power boards for our great customers. But overall, y'all, a great build here. Very proud of this one. Walt took care of this one on the accessory side and Jake on the sales side. Just a great culmination and partnership we got. And look at the Antimatter Blue. Look at that, look at that, look at that. Hey, we had to break out the deep sea. We got the sea dweller. We got the sea dweller in that Antimatter today. I had to film it. It's not even clean yet, but I had to film it. I had the sea dweller ready on deck for this truck. This truck got knocked out in a quick fashion, y'all. Looking so clean and legit. Thank y'all for watching this quick review. This one, right, I mean, we just continue to eclipse. Boom, boom, boom. And the great customers continue to reach out to us. Boom, boom, means everything, y'all. I'm so grateful for all the success that you've brought to us, and just knowing that all the hard work I'm putting into these videos is not to try to sell you something, but just try to educate and make you have that positive mindset of checking out some cool trucks, and hopefully you'll do business with us. Will be an added bonus. Y'all, thanks so much. Peace out.